Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Wally World, and we're about to get into some of the best Ibotta and rebate deals that you can do this week. I thought that I wasn't going to be doing that many Ibotta offers today, but I actually did 10 offers in this haul. So I almost finished my weekend warrior bonus. I will finish it probably when I go to CVS on Sunday, but we got a lot of good food deals today. So I'm going to be focused in on a lot of food deals today. I talked about in my last Walmart video this deal on the Bob's Red Mill, and it's actually gotten a little bit better. So I'm happy that I waited. So today I'm going to be grabbing the quick cooking organic oats. It needs to be this one. This one is $6.28. I'm going to submit over to Shopkick and I'm going to get back 965 kicks, which is $3.86. And I'm going to get back $1.50 from Ibotta. Gonna make my final cost for this bag only 92 cents, all the way down from $6.28. And if you're new to Shopkick, if you haven't used it before, sign up with promo code STAR when you sign up, and you'll get an additional $5 in free kicks that you can redeem for a free gift card. That will make this deal a $4 moneymaker. Next food deal we're grabbing is a nice deal on the Tostitos. So the first item in this deal is going to be these Tostitos Hearty Dippers. So we need to get these because we have a fetch offer for $1.50 back. They're $4.38. And then to go with that, I'm going to grab some Tostitos Dip for $4.42. You can grab whichever one you like. So these two items are going to total up to $8.80. We're going to submit over to Ibotta for a total of $4. $2 for the dip, $1 for the chips, and then we'll get $1 bonus for buying two. Then I'm going to submit over to Fetch for the chips and get $1.50 there. It will make my final cost for these just $3.30 or $1.65 each. Then we're going to come over here to these new Airly crackers. I've never seen these before, but we're definitely going to grab a few of these and try some different flavors because we have a brand new Ibotta rebate giving us back the complete cost of these so we can get up to 4 boxes for free. Since this is such an aggressive rebate, I think that this is probably going to go fast. So if you are interested in trying these, I would recommend clipping that offer and going ahead and grabbing these as soon as possible. So we got some butter, we got chocolate, we got cinnamon crackers, cheddar as well. So I'm going to kind of mix and match the flavors so I can see which one I like best. And these will be super free. The next free food freebie we're going to grab is the Simple Meal Bar. So these are $4.88. I really like these. We're going to get the full cost back from Ibotta, making them super free after rebate. We're going to do the Suavitel deal again that we did in my last Walmart video. The yellow one is actually on clearance for $7.20. I'm going to have to get the one that's way back there since that one is a little smush. So let me grab that one, and then we're also going to grab one of these complete right here as well. So on second thought, I think I'm only going to get one Suavitel instead of two. I will give you the breakdown for if you buy two, but I'm only going to get one because I need the 105 ounce of this blue, and this 100 ounce is not attaching to all of the offers that I wanted to attach to. Specifically for Ibotta, it's not attaching. So I'm just going to get this yellow one on clearance for $7.20. Let me show you the breakdown for this alone. So this baby right here is $7.20. I'm going to get back $3.86 from Shopkick. I'm going to get back $2 from Swag Bucks, and I'll get back $1.25 from Ibotta. That'll make the final cost on this bottle just 9 cents, which is a good price for me. And then if your store does have the other big one, so you can grab the yellow one for $7.20, and then this big one that's 105 ounce for $8.97. After all of the rebates, you want to submit over to Ibotta for $2.75. You can submit over to Swag Bucks for $5, and then you submit over to Shopkick for $3.46 on 2 of them. It'll make your final cost for 2 bottles about $2.80 or $1.40 each, which is a pretty good price, but 9 cents for one, I'm gonna roll with that today. Next thing we're gonna be grabbing is 2 of the Fabuloso. I'm gonna get the 33 ounce size. Now this says that the price is $2.48. I know that I don't think that's true with inflation. Let me scan these and see what they actually are, and then I'll show you the breakdown. Yeah, so these were higher. They are $3.47 each. So we're gonna pick up two of them for $6.94. I'm gonna submit over to Swag Bucks for $3 back on two, and then I'm gonna submit over to Checkout 51 for 87 cents back on two, which is $1.74. That's gonna make my final cost $2.20 or $1.10 each. And what's so funny is now we have to coupon to get them back to the price they were a few years ago, because before you could get these for $1 like all day, every day. Now you need some coupons in order to get this size for $1. I am pretty stocked up on these Persil packs, but if you need these are $5.97 regular price. They just started putting these $1 peelies on the product that'll bring you down to $4.97. And then you want to check your Ibotta account, because select accounts, not all, will have this $2 rebate as well. So that'll bring your final cost of these down to $2.97. So you'll get them for like a half price, which is not bad for Persil. So definitely keep that in mind if you want to get stocked up. Next deal we got is on the Airwick double refills. So you can grab these for $5.77. And then we have $4 back on Ibotta, making it just $1.77. Next up, I'm going to be grabbing these Haagen-Dazs butter cookie cones. So this is a really good deal. You could grab two of these or you could grab three of these. I'm going to be grabbing two of them for $12.96. So we're going to be submitting back for three different rebates. I'm going to get back $2 on each box on Ibotta. I'm going to get back $5 for two on Swag Bucks. And I'm going to get back $1.62 on two on Checkout 51. So that's going to make my final cost for two boxes just 72 cents for both, or like 36 cents each, which is an amazing deal for these babies right here. Another ice cream deal that I forgot to film is on the Ben & Jerry's. So if you have the $2 Ibotta rebate on the Ben & Jerry's, these are $4.48 at Walmart. So you can pick up two of them and that'll total you up to $8.96. With that $2 rebate on each one, that'll give you $4 back. Plus two off of two, we have a $2 cashback rebate on Alexa or Shopmium. That'll bring your final cost for two of them down to $2.96. Now, if you have a Kroger, it's actually cheaper. You can grab them for free at Kroger, because we also have a store coupon that's making them only $2.99 each. So they're a little bit cheaper at Kroger if you have one. But if you don't, it's a nice deal to pick up at Walmart, and you can grab them for $1.48, which is a stock up price most definitely for Ben & Jerry's. Next thing I'm going to be grabbing is the CoverGirl eye pencil. So these are just going to be a small money maker for us. These are $4.47 regular price. I'm going to be using the $3 manufacturer coupon, and I'll pay out the $1.47 and I'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making these a 53-cent money maker, and they will be another offer counting towards our bonuses. All right, you guys, so this is everything I'm grabbing from Walmart today. Everything worked out really, really good. So my total for everything was $74.11, but I'm deducting out the candy that I got from Matt. I got Matt some of these Werthers in my last Walmart haul, and he actually really liked them. So I got him some more today, but I'm not including that. But if you do still have that Ibotta offer to get these for free, then you definitely want to grab those as well, but you don't have to get them if you don't have that offer. But minus out that candy, my subtotal was $72.63, and then I got back $41.65 from Ibotta. I got back $7.60 from Shopkick. I got back $4.98 from Checkout 51. I got back $7 from Swag Bucks, and $3 of that is pending because my Fabuloso did go into review. And then I got back $1.60 from Fetch. So that made my final cost for everything today $6.80. And if I hadn't done one more offer, that would have actually made this just $1.80, because I could have got back my Weekend Warrior bonus. But I didn't realize I was going to do that much today, you guys. I actually surprised myself. So really good weekend at Walmart. Lots of food freebies. You can definitely get your pantry stocked up with a lot of free and cheap snacks. So definitely take advantage of those, because they will definitely go quick. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. Let me know down in the comments what you are picking up at Walmart this weekend. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.